In the last video, I showed you how to attach a link to a SharePoint document. In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to open the link, and I'm also going to show you a few more ways to share documents on SharePoint. And now I can go ahead and send that. So when I receive it, I'll be able to click on that link, and I will be able to open up that birthday card document. And because of the permission settings that I've placed on that document, only myself and the test account can get access to it. Let's go back to SharePoint. Another way to share is, you click on the three dots again. You guys just select share. And from there, you can type in the name of the person you want to share with. And we'll select my email. And then from there, you can actually go straight to the Outlook by selecting the Outlook button. My Outlook application just opened up, and you can see the link is right there. Put a little subject line, a card, and I can just simply hit send. Another great part about SharePoint is you can simultaneously work on the same document. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this document. And when I open it, it actually opens in Microsoft Word, the web application. Now, if you don't know the difference between a web application and a client application, I discussed that in previous videos. Just go back and check that out. It's important for you to get that concept down, right? So this is the web application for Microsoft Word. But like I said, I think the client application is much easier to work with. So I'm going to want to open this on the client application that I've installed already. I'm going to select this option to open in Word. Select Open Word. Okay, so it actually opened up in Word. And again, I much prefer the client application because even as you see here, it's a little bit glitchy with the web application. You don't even see the graphics here. Not sure what's going on with Microsoft. But I much prefer the client application. So here you can see the document that I have opened here, right? So now I'm going to go to my computer under my work email, my PJ Pros email, and I'm going to open the same document. So stand by real quick. So this is the email that I received from the test account, and it said to click here. So I'll go ahead and click it to open up the document. So this is actually my account, my work email account. You can see here, my name is right there. And because the test account has the same document opened, you can actually see TA test account is actually currently actively working on the same document. Right, so I'm going to actually go in here under my account, and let's say I remove the L in Elvis. Now it's Evis. Now let's go back to the test account machine, which is right here. And you can see under the test account, it's showing that I am also editing the same document. And you can see here how the L came off of Elvis, right? Because we're both simultaneously editing the same document. So, that's one of the benefits of SharePoint. Two or more people can actually work on the same document, collaborate together, and maintain the same version. And it's important to always try to keep your SharePoint documents in order. Try to keep like folders. I always recommend that. Like for instance, you could say new and select folder. You could say birthday document. Now the only problem is I can't move this file into the folder because it's currently being shared. Microsoft will not let you do that because then it means the people you're sharing with no longer have access to that path. So the best thing to do is just to recreate it. Now if it wasn't being shared, I can move it easily. Let's see what else. Now one thing to keep in mind, I can also download any document or folder that I want. But notice that once you download it, select download. Once it's been downloaded, it is no longer a SharePoint document. It is now being stored locally on my computer. So what that means is if I modify this document that's currently being shared with my account would not be modified. It only modified this copy. So when you download, you're basically creating a copy. you're no longer sharing the document. So in order to share properly, you want to maintain it on the proper site on SharePoint. Okay, I think that's about all I want to share with you about SharePoint. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff about Teams coming up next. Stay tuned.